Okay, so as you've seen, I've just built this second PC I built today. I'm sorry, I'm not in frame. It's hard when it's on a tripod. But I'm going to turn off our lights, turn this on, and you'll see why I am a god at building computers. Overestimating. I just realized it looks like it has its own perfect spotlight. So is it nice or what? I love it. Never mind the fact that we have the other one we built today in the Aerocool Aero 800, which I'll show you now in a minute. But We have built two of the nicest. Oh my god, I love those front LED fans. Okay, sorry, I got sidetracked. But we built two of. We built two of the nicest computers we've ever built in the space of 3 or 4 hours. Strangely, don't know how. Yeah, so that was fun. I'm gonna go to bed now. So there you see the PC I've just built. Now if you come down a bit, just down, yeah. Let me just sit on this stool, and ta-da! Here's the second one, and then there's that mini ITX build we did recently. So this right now is upgrading from Windows 7 to 10. Actually, it's getting Windows 7 updates, then we'll upgrade it from Windows 7 to 10. And then we'll do this one again. And yeah, again, the reason that graphics card is in there, even though there's meant to be a 750 Ti, is because our 750 Ti got lost in transit. Not a major setback, but it is somewhat of a setback. Luckily we have a 550 Ti lying around, so we can actually start it up and probably get it going. But other than that, there were no little gripes. Modular power supply, lovely blue LED fan. Turned out pretty well, I think. I love that computer though. One of my favourite I've ever built.